Hello everybody, and welcome back to another how-to. Today we're going to look at how to make a AI video in CapCut for 100% free. That's right, the all low price of free of charge, $0, and it is amazing. So let me show you how this works. And again, CapCut is 100% free unless you want to use the Pro plan, but the AI video maker is absolutely free, whether you're on the Pro plan or not. So I really encourage you to check this out. Again, it is awesome. So here's how it works. So I'm using the PC version. I do not know how it works if you use the web version. Do not encourage you to use the web version. Do not do this on your phone. Use a laptop or a PC. So in CapCut, you'll notice this little tool here, AI Video Maker. This is free. It does say AI, but it is free. Click it. Don't be afraid of it. Once you have got into it and it loads, hit New Project. And it will load up. Now, previously I do have a project here, so to save time, it does take a little time to load up. But let me show you how I did this once it loads. Okay, so the first thing you want to do on a new project is click on your script. Okay, now what I do with my script is I put in the title of my song and the word clip, because I know it's just going to be clips and you can edit this stuff if you want. Key points, what you're going to put in here. You want the lyrics of your song from Suno or Udio or wherever, including all the little breaks and basically the complete prompts that you would normally put into Suno or Udio or Refusion or whatever. So you're going to put that here. Okay, so it follows your lyrics. Okay, once you have done that, now the default is going to be 3 minutes. This will be way too short for most music videos. You do not want this. You want the maximum length of time. Like, change it to 10 minutes. Even if you don't use all the stuff that it generates, it's going to give you plenty of footage for your music videos, like 10 minutes. Mimic writing style. If you put something here, it will accuse you of being copywriting and things like that, and will refuse to do it. Do not put anything here in the writing style. In the requirements, what you're going to want to do is tell it to make a very long story. So, based on your music. So write a long epic story based on this song, on these song lyrics. As a music video. So just tell it it's going to be a music video, but it's going to be a long epic story. The longer the better. Otherwise you may not have enough footage. And then you just simply click create. Now what that's going to do is it will create a script, which is right here. Now normally the script, I've already broken it down into different scenes, but when it comes out raw, it'll be longer paragraphs than this. So once you have the script here, what you're going to do is click on voice, and then it doesn't really matter which voice. I use like the slower voices, so I'll choose like nonchalant or something like that, and then apply to all scenes. What this will do is it'll split those paragraphs down into smaller scenes. If you don't do this, you will not get enough video footage out of this. So you do need to split it down. Now once the scenes have split, but before the voices generate, you don't really want to use the voices because you have your own audio. Click cancel. So you keep the splits, but you do not need the voices. Okay, so once that's done, what you're going to do is click on media and then match stock media. Now you can try this, but sometimes this may be too long. So you just match stock media and you're going to get a bunch of stuff like this. Where you have all these different scenes and things like that. Now let's say, for example, you don't like this first clip because of the way the words are and stuff like that. You want to get rid of that. That's okay. So you can delete it or replace it. See? And you can have it AI generate, or you can go to stock media. And search for whatever you want, and it'll suggest some things for you based upon what you search for. Okay, and then you can choose this, or whatever you want, or you can have it generate that, or you can bring in your own. Well, I wish you could bring in your own clips, but you can't. Once you have done that, it'll say that, how much of this do you want to fill the scene? Great. Here we can use 100%. Sometimes you need to trim it down, but you can use a trimmer to fit it. Hit done. And there you go. Then you can kind of preview what's happening there for your video. You kind of get a feel for what's going on, where and when and how and all that. And then you can, delete and replace whatever scenes you want. Great. And so when you're happy with it, make sure you go down to elements and turn the captions off. Especially if you want to use your own lyrics and stuff like that, because these will not match your lyrics. So don't worry about what it says here. Just turn your captions off, and you can add your own lyrics in later. That will be covered in a different tutorial, or already has been, on how to add lyrics to a video. But basically, that's all you got to do. Just create your scenes and then turn your lyrics off, and then just hit export. Now, what I'm going to recommend when you export, do a high quality and do 1080. Okay. And it should be 30 frames per second. That's a really good quality to export at. And then all you gotta do is click it and it'll do its thing. So that's pretty much all there is to using CapCut to generate free B-roll stock footage to use in your music video. And it's really awesome. And like I said, it's free of charge. Thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay awesome and have a good day.
Need a boost? W's got you.
That code right there, it's your ticket.
Fuel up, stay focused, stay awesome.
And remember, Togs is best.